Joe. I'm up here on Thappraya Road. Thought we'd take a look today at Soi Pattaya Park, which is just here. I think they call it Soi 12. Let's go take a quick look. Dark sidebar. Some nice places down here. Was a lot of Russian area down here. You'll see all the signs in a minute, all Russian shops. Of course, everything's pretty much closed due to COVID at the moment. Cases are flattening off, I hope. I think there was 800 again, Chonburi area. August the 2nd is the end of our 2-week lockdown. Let's hope they open up a couple of things. We'll see what happens. But this soi leads down to the Pattaya Park water park and the tower. This will be quite a little busy soi down here, and I'm sure it will come back. About 27 degrees in Pattaya today. It's about 2 p.m. Oh, Moscow massage. Pretty quiet down here. That area there was a night market. Food stalls and shopping and bits and pieces, but closed now obviously. Pattaya Park. Now Pattaya Park's closed at the moment, like all tourist attractions, so we can't go in there. But there's the tower. You see, I don't know if you can see the cables. You can actually jump off that thing if you dare. And there's a restaurant up the top. I'll go up there once it reopens and give you all a look. There's a water park down through there on the beach front. Let's go take a look up here. See all the condos down in this area. There's the night market. Never actually been to it, but I'm sure it would be busy. Look at all these condos heading down to the beach here. Big one going up there. I love these Thai style houses. Wouldn't be cheap though, but beautiful looking. There's another one there. Nice houses those. And here we are surrounded by condos. It's a private residence. Be on the beach front just here. I'll show you now where the beach is. Pattaya still pretty quiet. There's the new sauna, Himalayan salt sauna, beach club. Even the Sands Cafe, they're closed until they're reopening. And here we are. There's the beach. Not allowed on the beach, so it'd be pretty quiet now. But nice day in Pattaya. Look at that, no one around. Sands Cafe reopened 2nd of August or 3rd of August, they say. Let's see what happens. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. It's Pete Joe, over and out.